Kaizer Chiefs supporters received a heartfelt message this week from the club's leadership, aimed at calming nerves and restoring confidence during a tense period. Kemiso Motaung, the daughter of Chairman Kaizer Motaung and head of digital at Amakosi, addressed fans directly in a short video recorded at OR Tambo International Airport and shared on X by @S_Ladil. Her message was simple but clear. Stay calm, block out the noise, and trust the club's long-term vision. The message arrives at a time when frustration is growing among the Chiefs' faithful, particularly around the club's quiet approach in the transfer market. Football manager Bobby Motaung recently confirmed that the club does not plan to sign new players this month, a stance that has only intensified debate among supporters. This comes as rivals continue to strengthen. Orlando Pirates, who currently sit top of the Betway Premiership and have already lifted the MTN 8 and Carling Knockout Cup this season, have added Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch FC, as well as Daniel Masindami and Mfo Kahabatsan from Marumo Gallants. Mamelodi Sundowns have also been busy, bringing in Monapule Saleng, Kulumani Namane, and Colombian striker Brian Leon as they chase Pirates in the title race. Speaking with warmth and sincerity, Kemiso reminded supporters just how much they mean to the club. "I have a message for you from the chairman," she said. "He says he loves you very much, and he always reminds us how important you are." She also addressed the growing online chatter, urging fans not to be distracted by rival supporters or social media criticism. "Don't worry about what is being said on social media, what Pirates fans or Sundowns fans are saying," she explained. "Please don't stress." Kemiso reassured supporters that work is being done behind the scenes, even if progress may not be immediate. "We are focused. We are working hard. It will take time, but we need you now more than ever. The players need your support more than ever." She ended the message with gratitude and unity, thanking fans for their unwavering passion and loyalty. "Thank you for always being there. Don't stress. Don't listen to the noise. We are going to be okay. It will take time, but we are in this together.